Hello guys, and welcome back again to another Tools and Gadgets. Today we have the Doona Midnight Stroller. So this is for the, I think it's for the newborn babies up to probably around 2-3 years old. So yeah, let's check out the packaging. So this Midnight Edition comes with a base. So I'm going to be showing to you later on how to attach the base to the car, and yeah, this probably don't have the base yet. So the base comes under this. It will be holding the stroller in place so that you don't need to strap on a seat belt to hold the stroller. So yeah, let's open it up. So out of the box, I think it already comes pre-assembled. On the bottom here, we have the base. Alright, so this is the base. This will be the one that will be attaching to the car, so that we'll just stick this one there, and there's a latch, and yeah, that's it. So the baby won't go anywhere. Okay, so here's there's already a bag. So it comes with this Doona bag. Here there's a vehicle seat protector. Nice. So we'll be placing, well, since we already have the base, then the base will act as a seat protector so that it won't get dirty. So this is a really good addition if you won't get the one that comes with a base. This is a really good freebie from them, so that you can just place this down on your car seats, then yeah, place the stroller on top of that so that your car seats won't get dirty. We're gonna pull on this going up. Okay, so this is it, guys. This is the free pouch or bag where you can place the diapers, the wet wipes for the baby. Okay, so we have here the base for the stroller. So there's a latch here that you can just press to release the stroller. Here, down, up. Oh, okay, so you could adjust the height of this base. So you can go up, you can see it moving, or down. So that's really nice, guys. And right here on this side, lock here the seat belt. But if you have the ones that the car has a what do you call this, a support bracket at the bottom, you could use this instead. Later on I'll be showing you where to place this, so that this goes usually to the support bracket, then you can lock it in place. And here's the latch, here's the base, so you're gonna mount the stroller here and it won't go anywhere.